Welcome to Trading Sadhguru. Let us recollect what we had discussed yesterday. Here, this red line was acting as trend line, and this very big green candle closed just below this level. So it is premature to say that the trend has reversed until we get a confirmation of closing of one or at least two candles closing above this level. So this is what we had discussed. Let us see how Nifty fared today and what is the position of Nifty and the levels for tomorrow. So this is the updated chart of Nifty 50, and here you can see that a higher level has been rejected and Nifty close just below this line. So because of this big green candle yesterday, the momentum was perceived as positive, and the momentum continued in the opening session. There was a slight gap up, and post which there is an up move as well, but this higher level has been rejected and Nifty closed well below this trend line. So can we say that this is an uptrend, confirmed uptrend? No, still the closure of this candle is below this level. So you can't say that this is either bullish or bearish. Considering the pattern of this candle relative to the green candle, it's a negative pattern. And tomorrow being a weekly option expiry day, you may expect a significant move. So what are the levels that we should be looking for tomorrow on Nifty? Let us go to shorter time frame. So Bank Nifty, there was a slight gap up, and in the first candle itself, this is a 15-minute chart of Nifty, and you can see that in the first candle itself it has gap up and given up few points and then recovered, and within 1 hour reached its highest point and then given up the gains slowly during intraday. There was an attempt for recovery, but this level was again rejected and closed near the lows of the day. So this is more like, after the initial gap down, this is more like a trend in down day. And from the daily chart pattern also we can see that it's a negative pattern. So tomorrow you may expect levels on the downside 169, 16,074, and if there is any gap up or an intraday move, you may see 345 and 409, 484. In extreme bullish scenario where there is a huge gap up, you may even see 16,611. So I don't expect market to breach this level. This level will now act as support in case of bearishness for tomorrow at least. And breach of this level, if Nifty opens and trades for 15 minutes to 20 minutes below this level, you may see another down move. Else, being an expiry day, you can also see a sideways movement also. So, let us now move to Bank Nifty. So here in Bank Nifty also, the situation is similar to Nifty, except that this candle has closed just above this red line and below yesterday's high. So here also the same thing, you may expect a sideways move. This level has been rejected So you may expect a sideways move or a move toward this level and finally this level. So let us see how Bank Nifty has fared vis-a-vis the levels given by us in our previous video before going for levels for tomorrow. Here you can see, similar to Nifty, in Bank Nifty also there was a gap up, post which within first hour itself high is made, and from there a sideways action for some time, and then given up around this level before post 12 o'clock. It is given up this level and slided further down towards lows of the day, from where it recovered and then given up all the gains it has made. So what are the levels that we can expect? Before that, let us analyze the performance of yesterday of Bank Nifty. The levels given yesterday was versus the performance. The range made by Bank Nifty today is 34,650. On the lower side, 34,135. So with this 600 is achieved, 470, 389, 240 and 120 almost, you can say, being the low. 135, 120 is also met. So overall almost 5 levels met. So what can we expect for tomorrow? That we will see. Here you can see breach of this level and trending down and closed below this level. So on the downside we may expect 34,010, breach of which you may even see 33,929. If 33,929 is breached and sustained, you may also see 684, 555, 246. On the upside, 301, 389, 450, 521 and 655 are possible if there is a gap up or intraday short covering. So being an expiry day, there will be a, if you are an option trader, there will be a lot of decay in premium in the opening itself, and market generally for some time moves in both the direction, and the algorithms or the big players, they try to eat away the premium on both the sides. So trade carefully, protect your capital, don't take naked position in one direction and sit idle expecting that your view will work out and this thing. So generally on expiry days it's the fastest finger fast. So better you take smaller profits and losses. Generally if you keep smaller stop losses on both the sides, it is highly likely that both the side stop losses will get hit. So better to trade small positions with a defined risk, or you'll be playing hero or zero trades, wherein if it works out you may gain significantly, if it doesn't, it may, option price may go to zero. So protect your capital, trade in smaller quantities because the direction is not yet clear. There was a positive momentum yesterday and that was carried today morning also, both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, but that didn't sustain, and both Nifty and Bank Nifty have given significant gains made today as well as part of yesterday's gains. So be cautious, take care, bye bye.